If you look closely, the app icons have little white borders. And this is normal for the new Glassmorphism style for the new Apple OS or iOS. But if yours has a white border completely around it that you want to remove, this is actually a bug in some versions of iOS 26. You can remove it in two different ways. First, go to Settings, scroll down a little bit, go to Accessibility, then go to Display and Text Size. In here, toggle Show Borders on and off a few times. If it's on for you, just turn it off. If it's off, turn it on and off a few times. And that will hopefully remove those white borders. Or you can also toggle Reduce Transparency on and off a few times. And you can toggle Increase Contrast on and off a few times. And those will hopefully remove your borders if just Show Borders did not remove them. If that doesn't work, we need to update your iOS. So let's go back to the main area for the settings, then go to General, then go to Software Update, and I believe it is iOS 26.2 that has the bug. So if you have 26.2, you need to upgrade to a different version. So hopefully one of those things fixes the white border around icons issue for you. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which is all about extending your battery life of your phone. Check that out and make your battery life last longer. I'll see you there.